This is the Breville cordless electric kettle. It's fantastically designed, very well handled. Has a 8 cups capacity with a display window here, as you can see, and it has a kind of a long line type of design. Absolutely fantastic piece of equipment. Has a power between 2500 to 3000 watts, and it's really good. It's powerful. So when you turn it on, it lights up, as you can see here, and it goes on. It's ever so easy to use, and perfect all the time. It takes about a minute and a half to warm the kettle. And you can see the base, and perfectly transportable. It's not that heavy. It's slick design. Highly recommended. Breville cordless kettle.